Okay, so this is the 16-footer that we use to measure this out.
Right.
I'm going to use it for one of the tie downs or the nailers.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I'm going to put the nailer in at the top because it dawned on me if I do that, when I'm up here, I don't have to fart around and try to hold that up and deal with crap.
And toenail things and everything else.
Yeah. Oh, you fucking thing. Watch it, Zeb. It wants to come down.
Of course it does, because it's long. So those pieces
hand
that...
me a nail, baby. I mean, hand me a nail, hand me a hammer. Okay, it wants to slip off, and it's really weird because it's so wonky. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a nail and just put it here so it can't slide. Because I need to be able to move it down when I get down there.
Yep.
So that I can cut it if it needs to be cut.
Right.
Without... Yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot what I was going to say. Must have been freaking wrong.
But... Okay. I'll come back. I'm going off. Okay, she's cut it and she's screwing it down to the board on top.
When you get me a rafter and bring it to me, you're going to get the stool and bring it over right there to that one, so that you can stand on top of it and have a whole lot more control than you've been having. Okay, put your end over the top and then hand me the other end. Now get the footstool and bring it over so you have height. Now, if this works, and there's no reason it shouldn't, I start a screw in this. Now I pick the rafter up. Zeb gets it where it belongs down there. I get it where it belongs up here. And we smash a freaking screw in. And I was not standing up here, hanging on by my toes, trying to do it.
Right. Makes sense.
Now I can put all the, all the toenails in and have it be good.
That's wonderful.
Watch out, I got the doors on.
Okay, give me a second. I'm sorry.
I just got it right. Don't be sorry. I know you're doing something, so I was getting ready for it.
I'm gonna have to mark it. Yeah, it's covered up my mark. That's okay. It's like all marked again.
She's got another screw started, I think.
Let's see how easy that's working?
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Easy, easy.
Oh, I wasn't looking. My bad.
Okay, so I've got the stool up here because my knees are shot and I can't crawl around on my knees, so I can make do by sitting down so I can get at the right angle to put these screws in. Okay, so this is just one of those where there's a will, there's a way things. That end goes over the mark.
Oh, it was. I don't know how it had got there.
When she was hammering.
Oh.
Bounce.
Okay, I'm turning off. Okay, and they finished fastening the 12-footers, the rafters, on that 16-foot piece, and now Selena is at the top. Now she's fastening them at the bottom, and then they're going to move to another section. The hope is to get all of these, at least these rafters in tonight, which would be nice. Because it's really, the temperature right now isn't bad, is it?
No, it's not bad at all.
Going away. Even with those tied down, these boards got twisted. And Selena, which one was it that was bad? Or you've already done it? No, I see it.
No, we gotta try to untwist it.
She's going to try to untwist it.
This one's twisted a little bit.
But it's not as bad as that one.
Well, we should be able to take it out on the top with the nailer.
With the nailers, yeah.
That may be the only way to do it, is with the nailer.
I think I can hold it down.
Okay. Holding it down's not the problem, it's taking the twist out. Honey, watch your elbow. Let me get a screw started before you do all that. I guess we're going to have to do until I get the thing on it.
That's less twisted than it was, but I don't know how much of that is...
Yeah, but we've got to take it out. I'll have to take it out with a pipe wrench.
Yeah, I know.
And an extension or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes you can do that. We'll see. Just sucks. Sucks because you're paying out the ass for shit. And
Yeah.
here, let me try to untwist it. And you put it in there. Nope, I can't do it either. I need a pipe wrench.
Pipe wrench?
No, it's okay. Just go ahead and do it. I'll fix it from the top. Okay.
And you're going to have one more board on the top there, right? And then hang the rest of those.
I need the
8-footer.
I need the 8-footer
And the jigsaw, if she doesn't have it?
and the jigsaw. Ow! Fuck!
Ouch. Hit her head, I think.
Yep.
Have it on film, whatever it was. I didn't see it happen.
Oh,
Ow.
I hit my fucking head.
One last piece up there. You hear the crickets? I'll come back.
Be careful, I put the jigsaw in my hand.
Okay, thank you, sugar. Boy, it beamed the crap out of my head.
Oh, okay, that's the edge of the porch, which is why you put it off that far. I was going, wait a minute, why? I just figured out why you put it out that far. It's the overhang for the edge of the porch.
Yeah, it's got to have an overhang.
Yeah, I got it. I just had to, came a little late to the party, that's all.
Do you want me to spray those wasps?
No. Okay, let's just try to get this done without them getting me on. We'll jam it the hell later.
Talk to them later.
We're almost done, so. Here you go. Okay, can you get that from you? Thank you.
Okay, I'll be back. You see the nailer up there. And of course, when the crew puts the roof on, they'll put nailers all up the roof and then put the metal on top of it. And then it'll be level with the porch roof. using the ramp for the purpose it was intended, for which it was intended. This is so cool. Because she realized that she can't really do those bottom nailers from up there.
Goes that way, and you do. Now we'll trade porches. Give me a second. Okay, when we do it, it's gonna fall. There we go. Yes, you could disassemble it, but that takes time.
Yeah, we've had this discussion before. It's a pain in the
It's
ass.
easier to roll. I'd rather roll it than take it apart.
Right.
Yeah, I know.
Good thing I'm powerful rocks on this time.
Okay, now which board? Oh, I see the one at the end.
This was good.
It's not now.
No, it's not.
But that one is.
This one over here is.
No, the one on the end.
The end. The one on the end is bad.
Oh,
That one.
that's what you meant by the end. I got you.
Give me a
So
second.
that's a pipe
Wait,
wrench.
You're gonna have to get it on. I'm gonna do that. You're gonna put this groove in.
So they're using a pipe wrench here.
We'll see if it works. They usually have to. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't.
I got it the perfect.
Okay, good job. Okay, so I'm gonna start these because Zeb will have to put them in when I get them. We're gonna use we're gonna use the big ones. In the hopes that once we do it, it'll work. Although I should have probably. Okay. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna go on this side of me.
Without falling off.
No? Okay. I'm gonna get it as much as I can. That's it. Go ahead. Not perfect, but that's what we got.
Oh my goodness, it's so much better than it was.
Yep.
Oh my God.
There you go.
Amazing.
It's not good, but it'll work. It's not perfect, but it'll work.
Yep, there you go. It'll do. I'm closing out.